What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're talking about the new iPad Pro. This is the 12.9-inch edition, space gray. We're gonna unbox it first, and then I'm gonna give you your first impressions and pretty much why I got this. All right, so first impressions, this thing is big. I'm coming from my 2017 iPad Pro, the 10.5-inch edition, which I have been using a lot lately, especially with Sidecar. And I really wanted to go into the bigger size, the 12.9, because of the more real estate with using a Sidecar, which has been a huge component, whether I'm on my desktop, but mainly on my laptop. But even being a 12.9 size, it definitely feels good in the hand. I like the boxy feel. A lot of people don't like it, but I'm digging it. Okay, so the microphone in this is supposed to be robust. I mean, really good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record, I currently have the Rode Wireless Go on as a lav, so I'm gonna bring this as close as the lav right now, record, of course, on the iPad Pro, and get an idea of what it sounds like. So I know this is kind of close, but so is my lav. I'll probably do another test later showing maybe a distance of it and see how that sounds. But basically, this is what it sounds like on the Sony a7 III with a Rode Wireless Go. And this is what it sounds like on the iPad Pro 12.9. So far, my first impressions is I love it. I love the size. I skipped last year's version, so I didn't get a chance to really appreciate the new design that they came out with in the last generation. But I am digging it and I love it. But above all, I am happy that I purchased this iPad. I absolutely love the design. So just really excited to dive into it. Look for more videos ahead so that way you can kind of see how the camera features work, whether you live stream or you use kind of devices to record YouTube videos. So I don't know, besides that, my friends, leave any comments you want and I'll catch you guys in the next video.